Hey guys, I'm going to do a video about the topic of bolting with regard to plants. I'm sure you've heard that term before, plant bolting. You've also heard the term gone to flower or gone to seed. Those terms are pretty much used interchangeably and they mean the same thing. I wanted to give you an example here of a plant that has gone to seed. It is a dillweed, dill herb. It's a great culinary herb. I love cooking with it, but as you can see, I cannot use it anymore. I will get into the topic of why does a plant bolt right now. There's several reasons. And first of all, what causes a plant to bolt? There's several things at play here. First of all, if it gets too hot, if it gets unseasonably warm, beyond the conditions that are good for that particular type of plant. Second possibility is if the soil conditions are not met either, not the right amount of nutrients or the right combination. That's another possible reason that it could happen. Now, dill is a good example of an herb that does not like hot weather at all. We planted this in I think, late April, and when it started out, it was real short and bushy, probably about a foot in height. And I did harvest sprigs off of it because it's a great herb for cooking. I love using it. As this process of going to seed happened, you see it got real tall and gangly looking, which is what normally happens. It's pretty much just over my shoulder now as far as height goes. So once this happens, you pretty much, there's not really anything you can do to save the plant other than you can definitely save the seeds because they are, when you see flowers like this emerging, they are attractive to pollinators nearby. So that's the one bright spot there. There's a few plants out there that you can possibly, when you see the first earliest sign of it, you can trim the top uh, bud sprig off of it, and you have to catch it early. I did that. Did that with some of our basil plants over here. I don't know if you can see them, but they were just about to get to that bolting stage, but we were able to trim enough of the sprig of herb at the top, and that it's halted. But so that's the deal. You got to catch it early. I don't know if I answered this question yet. What is bolting? But I know I explained that part, but why do plants bolt? Well, it's a survival mechanism. When the conditions aren't being met, as I may have said earlier, it's kind of like a Hail Mary pass. We've got to produce as much seed as possible before I pretty much give out for good, I guess. Yeah. So that's pretty much the deal. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I will talk to you later.